Hello students, now we discuss upon go back and protocol. Especially there is a two classification in data link layer under flow control techniques. First one is the transmission of one bit from sender to receiver or more than one bit transmission from sender to receiver. So if we see one bit transmission, which is the case of stop and wait protocol, but if we see about multi-bit transmission where more than one bit transmit from sender to receiver as a bunch of bits, and this bunch of bits collected in one fixed size of window, and this window can be slide from frame to frame and transmit the frame accordingly. Suppose if we see here, I have a window size of 4 and 4 window size contain these value in the frames. So suppose first frame transmitted to the receiver and successfully received by receiver and acknowledged to the sender side. तो जैसे ही ये सक्सेसफुली रिसीव्ड हो जाएगी, विंडो ऑफ जो सेंडर साइड विंडो है दैट शुड बी स्टेप फॉरवर्ड एंड it start from this frame. So the updated window size is from this to this. So window size of 41001. So again we transmit this frame, and if it is still it get by receiver successfully, so again window size updated by from this to this. So this is the concept of sliding window. Now the receiver side, always the window size is equal to 1. So the basic difference in this sliding window approach, that how can we deal with such frames which got an error during transmission. So in go back N protocol, if 0 is got an error and window is suppose that from this to this, सपोज़ यहाँ पर अगर हमारा जो फ्रेम है वो अगर एरर उसमें आ रही है और ये सभी फ्रेम हमारे ट्रांसमिट कर दिए गए हैं इस विंडो के, सो इट माइट बी दैट जैसे ही इसका टाइम आउट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, आफ्टर दैट इट विल री ट्रांसमिट अगेन, एंड इसके साथ ही जो ये वाले फ्रेम है इनको भी यहाँ पर रीट्रांसमिट करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज़ द अप्रोच ऑफ गो बैक एंड. अगर हम यही चीज़ सेलेक्टिव रिपीट में कर रहे होते तो वहाँ पर हमको सिर्फ इसी फ्रेम को रीट्रांसमिट करना पड़ता. सो दिस इज़ द लिटिल बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन गो बैक एंड सेलेक्टिव रिपीट. सो देर आर सम अदर technical parameters for go back and selective repeats. So it can be discussed in next class, and I will also discuss some special class of go back and special cases of go back and selective repeat. Thank you.